Today we'll be learning how to log into Little Sponges using ClassLink. We'll start on the Aldine Independent School District homepage. So we can go to aldineisd.org. Once here, we're interested in the Student Parent tab. Let's click on that. And on the right hand side of the Students and Parents page, you'll notice the second link that says ClassLink. Let's click on that and it'll be the very first one. Let's click on ClassLink and it'll take us into the login page. From here, we can either type in the username and password for the student if we know it, or more simply, we can use the QR code by clicking on the QR card. Here you have the option of scanning your student's QR code using your camera. Please request this information from your homeroom teacher if you do not have it at home. Once logged into ClassLink, your Launchpad will appear where you can select Little Sponges from the list of icons. To make accessing Little Sponges even easier, students and teachers can favorite the Little Sponges icon on their Launchpad. To do this, simply hover over the icon, right-click, and select Add to Favorites. You'll notice that you get a confirmation that it's been added to the favorites, and it'll now appear in the bottom dock of the Launchpad, where you can simply click on it to launch Little Sponges. Once logged in through ClassLink, students will be presented with their course selector page since they have access to multiple courses. They'll select the course that they're interested in, and now they'll be presented with the map to navigate their adventures. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ClassLink Login at Home. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly at www.little-sponges.com/contact-us. Alternatively, you can reach out to your homeroom teacher for further questions. Thank you.